I'm Stephen Dabowski with Choate Construction. Welcome to my fourth installment of my weekly update of our project here at Impact 360 in beautiful Pine Mountain, Georgia. Over the last week we've had an extensive amount of work that has been completed. I'll kind of give you some of the highlights of what's happened. First of all, over here, Eric, me and pan over to the side, you can see the front entrance built in a very dramatic fashion, and right now the carpenters are getting ready to get the rough size openings ready for the glass work. And zooming over to the right hand side, you can see that we've started the porch. The joists that are going across the top there are going to make up the porch roof, and the beam that you see goes around the perimeter to hold the porch up itself. Here we are inside the front entranceway. The wedge, we have a dramatic 22-foot ceiling. In here you can see that we've completed the sheathing on the roof, and all of the members have been cut and installed for the trusses. Out here we're at the very front of the porch. Plywood has been put down temporarily just for a working surface, but within the next couple of days we will have a Trex deck, which is a 1x6 composite material that is going to go on top of the porch. The roofing system, the trusses are being put in, and we will be putting a plywood over top to complete the flat roof section of the porch. Here we are inside the classroom right now, and over here you can see our power requirements for our monitors, where we will have one for power, one for TV, and another one for data. And that will also give the opportunity for your students to plug in their computer to make it a monitor from down below. From what I understand, this will be, you'll have an articulating arm so that the monitor will be able to be moved out from the wall and turned in different positions. Here's a example of our floor boxes that we have that are going to be installed here. These boxes themselves are raised up in anticipation of the gypcrete topping that's going to go over top of it, and also to take into account the thickness of the carpet flooring. In here will give ultimate flexibility for the students and faculty to be able to move desks around and always have power and data to in the middle of the floor if required. Here we are in the bonus space above the administration and business wing of the Davis House, and up here what we're getting ready for putting some insulation in tomorrow afternoon, and then with some luck we will be sheetrocking this wing of this wing of the building here on Saturday, and finishing up sometime before the 4th. This is a great space in here with a nice step down and some architectural and some brick that we've opted to leave behind instead of framing it out with traditional sheetrock, and give this room a little bit of character. Great space. It's probably my favorite part of the whole building here. And for our final segment on this week's show, I'm going to show you the expansiveness of the roof here on the addition to the Davis House. Here you can kind of envision what it is like from the backside of the structure. Starting tomorrow, Friday, we're going to be drying all of this area in. This will be my final segment for this week, so hopefully that you've enjoyed it and everyone has a safe and enjoyable 4th of July. Be it next Thursday. We won't be broadcasting. We'll probably have to put it off till the 5th.